बैठ जाएंगे। हाँ रूम पे जाके सेव कीजिएगा ना। हाँ देखते हैं वैसा ये इसका सब पीडीएफ बना हुआ है। रिकॉर्ड भी कोई रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं था वहाँ सेव है। ओके so this is the session for reflection journal. Okay, so I am going to share entire screen. Okay, so before starting this reference journal, I think everyone is visualizing this. Yes. So this is some journal which are related for our what we can say FDP program. Yes, ATAL FDP topic is hybrid microgrid opportunity and challenges. So in power management for hybrid microgrid, AC/DC microgrid with multiple subgrids, so how to minimize this? Okay, so we can see here in this abstract, this paper proposes a new topology of a hybrid AC/DC microgrid where there are multiple subgrids connected to common bus by bidirectional AC/DC converter and bidirectional DC/DC converter. Yes, please give time some, okay, so that we can discuss proper way. So just I am going to read, you can also see here abstract. So the rated AC frequencies in different AC subgrids and the rated DC voltage in different DC subgrids can be different from different application. All the storages in the system are connected to the form of a storage subgrid for convenient management and high efficiency, which maintains the common bus voltage. To ensure the hybrid microgrid operates well, a proper power management method is necessary to control the power flow among multiple subgrids. So this paper proposes a decentralized power management method for hybrid microgrid to make the interface subgrids operate in coordination and support each other. First, taking the characteristic of the common bus configuration into consideration, a power DC and voltage DC group control strategy is proposed to maintain the common bus voltage and to realize power sharing among storage in the storage subgrid. Second, as the interaction among the multiple subgrids is more complicated compared to the conventional hybrid microgrid, a coordinated power control strategy based on common bus voltage, AC subgrid frequency and DC subgrid voltage is designed for BADC. What is the BADC? That is the bidirectional DC-DC converter. Yes. To realize power interaction among the different subgrids. Furthermore, the proposed strategy takes the capacity and load type of each subgrid into consideration. Hence, it is still suitable when the capacity of subgrids are mismatched, and it can ensure the power quality of the subgrids with high proportion of the critical loads. The effectiveness of the proposed power management method is verified by real-time hardware in the loop. Yes. So with the help of this abstract, we can say there are various research papers which are published a few years before, or we can say in 2022, many papers based on the hybrid microgrid are publishing. So we can work here. Yes. We can observe some points, and in that way we can do something new. Easily we can able to publish paper. Yes. So what are the objectives of the hybrid microgrid? It is cited here. Yes, or highlighted in the abstract. So whatever points are mentioned here, we have already covered during the sessions. Yes, so no need to discuss once again. But thing is that there are many recent journals. Yes, so this paper I have taken from IEEE. Yes, IEEE transaction on power electronics in 2018. Recently, this is the I have selected this paper due to the basic concept. Yes, hybrid microgrid. So we can say that. We can work in the hybrid microgrid. Yes. So this is the recent topic, and in this new area, there are still many objectives or challenges, opportunities we can find, and we can solve the problem. Yes. So when we find new problem, when we will work here, is it not? So this is very wonderful area where we can work either you can say AC side or DC side, whatever you work as I say new things, easily you make new paper. Yes. So this is the new hybrid microgrid paper. Yes. So he did this work in the real time. Yes, in real time. Yes, he did in real time hardware in loop. Okay, so if you see, yes, so he did real time open system, open loop, what we can say open RT system. So we should not worry about that this much big system. How can we implement in the hardware? No need to worry about this, because they have done in the hardware loop. That means after implementation, all things in MATLAB, easily we can dump in the open RT or DSpace, like that. In that way, we can implement, or we can verify the results also. Yes, so not big issue. So like that, I have discuss one Article-2 power management strategy of hybrid microgrid. Yes, so power strategy power management strategy is the key point behind the hybrid microgrid. Under this, there are the points which I have highlighted here. So power management during transition between grid connected and stand-alone operation mode. Yes. So power management is the big issue. Otherwise we cannot move to the any new grid or new microgrid. Yes. So if we are going to say to make a microgrid, either we can say DC microgrid or AC microgrid, or we can say hybrid microgrid. Obviously, there are the objectives. So what are the objectives? So first objective is to power management during transition between grid connected and standalone operation modes. Yes, that means we want to make reliable operation. We want to make to facilitate power in reliable way. Therefore, we are worry about the local microgrid. Yes. So this is the one objective. Another one objective is power management strategy under different loading conditions. See, this is also in key parameter, because this parameter is not in our hand, because we cannot say that there is no load. Yes, obviously there is critical load, there is some load. So for that we are designing the system. Yes, so design system is going to design based on the demand. And what is the demand? That is the load. So there is a mention under different loading condition. Under different loading condition, power management is required. So these are the objectives. Yes, behind these objectives we can work. Yes, so these points I have highlighted, which is required for your article discussion. Behind article discussion, they are mentioned. There is required types of research paper. Yes, so one of the research paper, that is the IEEE paper here, and that is the basic paper. So that because in the recent paper work is going to enhance, so I am not going to take in that paper. I have just considered reference paper so that you can easily visualize what are the objectives, and you may be work new things. Yes. So third one point is a suitable, cost-effective, and reliable communication network is important in microgrids. Anybody can discuss here something? Yes, something. If you want, you have, because all sessions are technical sessions are over. Yes. So this is not a session. This is interaction session. Yes. In this session, we will just discuss which type of topics, which topic we want to carry, or on which topic we want to do some research, or we will do some research, or we can propose some research. According to that, we want to discuss this topic. Yes. So objective behind this session is to learn where we want to work something. Yes. So on point third, a suitable, cost-effective, and reliable communication network. Yeah, communication network is important in microgrids. So there is a still gap for doing new work, because as an electrical person, we don't know much about communication. Yes, but thing is that what is the key parameters behind communication? That is the delay, that is the reliability, that is the band. Yes, because you are connecting or you are going to increase connecting source for defined microgrid. That means there is the communication. If there is the communication, you are connecting more and more sources, and we are not going to worry about the channel bandwidth. It means there is the limitation. After over that, we cannot increase further source, because we are connecting the source on the grid, sorry, a small microgrid, and all sources should be communicate. Otherwise, we cannot say that we will work for particular frequency, a particular voltage, a particular load management. We cannot handle this. Therefore, there is required some monitoring system. Yes. So who will monitor this? Obviously, some third person who is going to control all the sources. So how to control this? Obviously, it is going to control based on the communication system. So communication system is there, and if communication system is there, it means there is some specified bandwidth. Yes. So bandwidth depends upon the capacity of the communication. Yes. So when you are going to increase more sources, we cannot handle communication with the previous whatever we have installed. Yes. So we should know about the communication bandwidth. So can we change, or can we set up new microgrid? Because if you are going to set new microgrid, there is required new setup. Yes, in aspect of communication system, in aspects of converter, in aspects of everything. So cost point of view, we can say it is not reliable. Yes, it is not effective. Therefore, when we are going to design the microgrid, we should worry about the selecting communication channel, how much bandwidth we want to keep. Yes, so this is also one open area where we will do some research. Yes, so third point. Last one is the transient power management under different load and grid condition. Yes, so why this is required? Anyone can discuss, because we are at the end of the all session. So we are here focusing on the last point, transient power management under different load and grid condition. Yes, anyone can say something? Yes, Amit, something say.
Load is what we can control. So whatever when we switch on the load or switch off the load, transients occur, or voltage may be dipped and voltage may be rise. So that we have to control for the manual operation.
Sometimes fault occurs then.
Yeah, happen. Transient appears. So how to handle this? So this is also controllable task. Otherwise, we cannot say our system will be reliable, our system will be sustainable. We cannot claim this, because system has designed, system is working, but thing is that when your participant, one of participant is saying that some fault will occur, then your system should be stable. For that, we have to have selection parameter according to that. Yes. Therefore, we can say in that situation, our system will be stable. So for that, we can do work behind a stability analysis for different loading and source condition. Yes, because source we already defined, that is the renewable energy sources, and which is already knew that this is the these are the intermittent. So sources are changing, as well as we are going to discuss load are going to change, but network is same. How to handle this if both are going to change? Yes, so these are the uncertainty we want to work in the new area, that is the hybrid microgrid. Yes, so these are the points and these are the reference. Yes, so by which one paper we have discussed just right now. Yes, another one paper is the supervisory power management system. Yes, a supervisory power management system for a hybrid microgrid with hybrid energy sources storage system. Yes, so these are the papers, you can go through this, and recent paper I will send. Yes, and in that way we can learn new things also, and we can able to generate our interest behind this new topic. Yes, hybrid microgrid. Okay, so any question if you have? So many questions they have already discussed during the session. So this part is over for reference journal. as well as article discussion. Thank you. Thank you to everyone. Thank you, sir.